Hey, welcome back to the channel. My name is David, and on this episode, episodes, we're going to break this down into probably 3 or 4 smaller segments, because even after the proverbial segments on the floor, the video was pushing nearly 1 hour long. I try to keep our segments between 12 and 15 minutes just so they're more consumable for you guys. So we're going to talk about the new hitch that we are trying out, and if it's any better than the old hitch. And I'll explain the differences between the two and the issues we had with the first hitch and any issues I think we might encounter with the new hitch. So make sure you subscribe to this channel, ring that little bell so that when we do put these videos out, you'll get notification. So this will probably happen after the first of the year. We're gonna try to get through the Christmas holidays, and we want to make sure that you have time to spend time with your families as well. So until we see you guys in 2023, we'll talk to you soon.